Welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. And check out my forum at computersluggish.com. In today's video, I will be showing you how to download and install the new Call of Duty Warzone to your Windows 10 PC. To start off with, first you need to click on the link that's in the description below and you will end up on a page that looks like this. Once you're on this page, you now need to click on download for Windows and you now need to go save file. We now need to run the setup file and you now need to select your language. Once the Battle.net app has finished installing, you now need to sign into your account. If you don't have one, then you now need to click on create a free Blizzard account. And you now need to just fill in the details and click on create an account. Once you have signed into Battle.net app, you now need to click on Call of Duty Modern Warfare on the left hand side underneath partner games. And you will now see a play for free button. And you now need to click on this button and you can now choose where you'd like to install Warzone. Just remember it is over 80 gig, which means it will take a very long time to download depending on how good your internet connection is. And you can now go ahead and press start install and it will now begin to download Warzone to your PC. Once Warzone has finished downloading and installing, you will then be able to click on play. And it is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social media channels and forum.